The HEL STAR 6 is a 4-function strobe light that's available in visible, green, blue, red, or white, and IR in a near IR, and a SWIR in multiple frequencies with multiple options for LEDs. Our intensity settings: dim, standard, bright, and bright plus. And then our flash rates, you can have a steady or a 60 flash per second or the 30 flash NATO. Now, also unique that we're doing is we have a Morse code flash. So we've assigned distinct Morse code letters so that the pulse in the flash is distinct from any other light on the market. The HEL STAR 6 is also programmable. It comes in 2 different versions for the switching. We have a nose switch and a nose plug. The nose switch, as seen here, is a simple manipulation of turning a switch up or down. Generally, in the up position is our overt settings, similar to turning a light switch on. In the down position is normally the IR settings. The nose switch was designed for easy access between the 2 modes. The nose plug was designed to have a positive means when switching from an overt setting to an IR setting, so you do not accidentally go into an overt setting when in the tactical environment. The on-off switch you'll find at the bottom, 0, 1, 2, is going to change between the different colors or the different modes that you have selected to that position. On the back of the light, you'll see we have 2 built-in tie-down points, and our battery door, which when pulled down shows the 123 battery. This light is also available in an LE tactical version that was built with specific settings for special weapons and tactics guys that are using it on the ground. We also have a lead jumper light, which has unique settings in it that make finding the lead jumper in a HEL stack a lot easier. The light is available in tan or black. Our light is waterproof, open water dove to 130 feet, and each light is tank tested to 300 feet. Also available with the HEL STAR 6 are various attach patches. You can attach your HEL STAR 6 to different equipment or personnel, rucksacks, parachutes, whatever it may be. We've got various attach patches with either Velcro, high bond tape, and MOLLE systems. The attach patch also has an additional bungee cord and tie down to help secure the light. To purchase a HEL STAR 6, please visit our website or visit any of our retailers or distributors.